Divine Brahma is the algorithm software as one of the property of Ishwar. What is Brahma? Let us understand from the school of thoughts. The evolution of universe, the status or position and the apocalypse, the cause and occasion is because of Brahma. Be curious and think about what due to which living beings are born, live and die to assimilate with nature is due to true Brahma. Brahma is a proven scientific. It is beyond the perception through senses and hence can be conceived only through the hypothesis. Aham Brahmasmi. The brightness with which the sun radiates heat that does not know of Vedas or Brahma. Tattu Samanvayat. Brahma, being scientifically true, is the moral of explanation. Sarve Veda Yatpada Mamananti. All the Vedas study the moral as Brahma. Yah Prithivyan Tishtan Prithivya Antaro Yam Prithvi Naveda Yasya Prithvi Shariram Yaha. Prithvi Mantaro Yama Yatiyeshu Atmantar Yamyu Mataha. That which lives in earth but separate from the earth. Earth does not know him, but earth is its body residing inside earth, bound by precepts. This is your soul, the nectar. Tad Vyaktamahahi. Brahma does not have any material or non-material form. It is inexpressible and pure. Shuddham Papa Vigdhatam. Brahma is pure and non-corruptible. It is sentient, is not knowledge, but the knowledge format programmer. Sarvam Khalvidam Brahma. Everywhere there is Brahma. Yattadadre Sha Magrahyam Gotram Varnam Chakshukshotram Tadapanipadam Nityam Vibhum Sarvagatam Sushuksham Tadavyayam Tadabhuta Yonim Paripashyanti Dhiraha. That which cannot be seen by eyes, cannot be felt on touching, which has no origin, no form, no color, which has no physical organ like eye or ear, which has no hand or no leg, that is eternal, that is mighty, that is all pervading, subtlest of the subtle, indestructible and genelia of all living being. This is seen by wise and patient men. Na tatra chakshur gachanti, na vag gachanti, no mano na vidnyo na vijanimo, yatha tadanu shishyat anyadeva tad vidita datho avidita dadhi iti shushrum purushevam purvesham ye nastad vyacha chakshire. Where eyes cannot reach, speech cannot reach, neither the mind can reach, nor understanding or no perseverance. The way it is advised but appears different and not understood. This is learned from ancestor, the definition. Smaller than atom and biggest than the biggest. Bigger than the biggest. Brahma is the divine software as one of the property of Ishwar. Yada panchavit tashyante dadhyani mansa saha buddhischana vicheshtati tamahu paramam gatim. When all the five sense organs along with mind goes silent and intellect goes inactive, is called liberation from material world, or moksha, that is paramgati, is called divine subjugation. Mahanatam vibhumatmanam matva dhiro na sochati. On knowing this great Atma, brave men free from grief and woes, the pure sentient is non-resultant. impassive, dormant, only knowledge and coder, Jnana Swarup, Kutastha, and constantly available. It is matter embedded, Jad Tattva Vikari, active and always resultant, creates the knowledge, precepts, and orderly system by an association with matter. Brahma is the divine software as one of the property of Ishwar. Yadatam asmanna divan ratranna sanna chasasvichha evam kevalaha. When the knowledge of divine rises, then there is no day and no night, no truth and no false, no expressible and no inexpressible. Our entire transaction occurs through the matter and associated life principle, that is sentient. Pure sentient is extraordinary than the matter or Maya as explained in Vaisheshik philosophy. It does not relate to the properties, action or absence. This is subtlest than atom and not divided or obviated shown. Anoraniyana Mahato Mahiyana, smaller than atom and bigger than biggest. Brahma is the divine software as one of the property of Ishwar. Nishkalam, Nishkriyam, Shantam, Niravadham, Niranjanam. This has no organs. It is inactive, peaceful, defectless and sinless. Anejadrekam, Manaso Javiyaha. This is fast as mind, immovable and all pervading. That which speech cannot express, but due to which speech is expressed, is Brahma. That of which people worship, sensible and attributable world, is not Brahma. That which cannot be perceived by mind, but due to which mind can perceive, is Brahma. That of which people worship, sensible and attributable world, is not Brahma. Growth does not occur without union of Brahma and universe. Yachro shrena na shrunoti yena shotra midashrutam tadeva brahmatvam vidhi nedam yadidu mupasate. That which ears cannot listen, but due to which ears can listen, is Brahma. That of which people worship, sensible and attributable world, is not Brahma. Yacha chuksha na pashyanti yena chakshuti pashyanti tadeva brahma tvam vi dadi nedam yadida mupasate. That which eyes cannot see, but due to which eyes can see, is Brahma. That of which people worship, sensible or attributable world, is not Brahma. Brahma is the divine software as one of the property of Ishwar. Yat pranena praniti yen prana praniyate tadeva brahmatvam vidhi nedam yadida mupasate. That which cannot be sensed and endured from life, but due to which life can endure the senses, is Brahma. That of which people worship, sensible and attributable world, is not Brahma. Tatha prakashatek kutsam lokamimam ravihi kshetram kshetri tatha kutsam prakashayati bharata. O Bharat, the way only sun can illuminate entire world, similarly owner of the field Brahma illuminates the sensible and attributable world. Shri Adi Shankaracharya describes Brahma as self-principle or Atma Tattva. Shri Shankaracharya explained the above Brahma in the form of Atma Tattva. Mono buddhya ahankara chittani naham chakshotra jive na cha ghrana netre na cha vyoma bhumirna tejo na vayurchitta nanda rupaha shivoham shivoham na cha prana sanyanyo na vai panchavayurna न सप्त धातुर्न न पंचकोशः न वाक प्राणिपादम न चोपस्य पायुश्चिता नंद्रुपः शिवोहम शिवोहम. I being the self principle, that is Atma Tattva, is not mind, intelligence, ego and chitta, that is display pad. Neither I am ear or tongue, nor nose or eye, neither sky or earth, nor light or air. I am self principle, the pleasurous Shiva. I am of course not prana, not five winds, panchavayu, not five kosha, not speech, not hand, not leg, not genitals, nor anus. I am the pleasurous Shiva.